So the topic is partition of Bengal, and the question is based on a 6-marker question. It states, explain why was Bengal partitioned by the British in 1905. So here as well we are going to be seeing 3 different responses of 3 levels, or the different marks that have been awarded on this sort of a response. So let's see the first one. It says Bengal was partitioned due to geographical reasons, as it was the largest province having population of 85 million of Indians. That's it. Okay? Just a brief identification. Next response says Bengal was partitioned due to geographical reasons. It was the largest province of India with a population of 54 million in West Bengal, 31 million in East Bengal. Therefore, it was too huge to govern as one unit. So here you can also see that response has been given. There is a description. However, the impact of the decision has not been shared. Moving on to the third response, it says Bengal was partitioned due to geographical reasons. It was the largest province. The same details are given. Therefore, it was too huge to govern as one unit. So, Lord Curzon partitioned it into East and West in order to overcome the difficulties faced in administering such a large province, so that it could be governed effectively and efficiently. So here you can see the end of the reason has been reached, that why was Bengal partitioned. Starting is the same for the figure and facts, and then you can see it's the decision impact, that they wanted to administer it more efficiently and effectively. So that's why it became the reason for the partition of Bengal. So for this, as it's only the identification, so the child is going to reach level 1, 2 marks. Okay? As it's a simple explanation, the reason number 2 is the simple explanation. So for simple 1 explanation, there are 3 marks. And as the child has well developed explanation here, so it's level 2, the marks awarded will be 4.